Welcome to your daily HR Matrix series by Nicolas.
Stop reading CEO surveys. Stop trusting leadership polls. If you want to know what your executive team actually cares about, you have to look at the one place where they cannot afford to spin the truth, the quarterly earning calls. BCG just released their new CEO data point using AI to analyze over 6,000 earnings call transcripts. The data shows that defensive cost cutting is officially out. CEOs are warning Wall Street about macroeconomic shocks, fractured supply chains, and the compounding impacts of the Middle East conflict. For the C-suite, AI is actually a secondary focus. It's just a tool they are using to survive this geopolitical chaos. Mentions of top-line growth and innovation are spiking, and the conversation has shifted entirely toward agentic AI, autonomous AI agents. So, if your CEO's top concern is global disruption, your HR dashboard cannot just track time to fill. You must highlight these three metrics immediately. Number one, Geo-Talent agility rate. When a geopolitical crisis impact its shipping routes to regional hub, how fast can HR redeploy logistics and operation talent to near-shored locations? If your talent can't pivot, the supply chain stales. Number two, crisis leadership retention. Traditional retention metrics are too broad. You need to isolate your crisis managers, the leaders who have proven they can navigate macro shocks. Are you retaining them, or are they deployed to the most vulnerable business units? Number three, the AI augmentation ratio. This is where AI actually matters. If your global operation is disrupted by war, your workforce needs to use AI to predict routes and manage costs. What percentage of your operations team has been upskilled to use predictive AI this quarter? HR has to stop measuring the past and start measuring the CEO's future. Which of these three metrics is missing from your dashboard right now? Let's debate in the comments below. For your daily dose of learning in people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and like the page at Nicolas Behbahani.